Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In a large bowl, whisk together mayonnaise, yogurt, lemon juice, and hot sauce if using. Drain tuna, then add to mayonnaise mixture. Use a fork to break up tuna into flakes. Add red onion and pickles and toss to combine. Season with salt and pepper. Serve on lettuce or bread as a sandwich.
Take our lead.
Instead of using mayonnaise in your tuna salad, you can use a simple olive oil-based dressing like this one that uses lemon juice and Dijon mustard. What can you eat tuna with besides bread? You can serve this tuna salad recipe on a bed of lettuce, in a tortilla wrap, on your favorite bun, or even in a lettuce wrap.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Tuna mixed with frozen corn and olive oil with or without lemon juice. Tuna mixed with an egg and some breadcrumbs and seasonings baked or fried into tuna patties. Tuna and pasta dressed in mayo or olive oil with celery or pickles or green peas or cabbage or broccoli. Tuna with shredded cabbage and dill dressed in mayo.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Healthy nutrition from tuna. Tuna, for its part, is a source of high-quality protein with almost no fat. It contains all essential amino acids required by the body for growth and maintenance of lean muscle tissue. Canned tuna can be a good source of heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.